Ang people, wala tayong ilulutong sinugaog ngayon. Ang menu natin ay second joy with matching, never mind the background of the logbook of anything else, the flying saucer of, makikita mo yung lumilipad na yan, yan ang tinatawag na resin. Ay, ito eh. Usahan ka pa lang ita. Nakat, busy na ki. Chicken joy with the dough is crispy fry with my fry na crispy. Ayan po. Yan. Yung 4 pieces is brownies and 1 pieces is whiteys. Yan mga team sinugaog. Yan ang ating menu for the day ngayon. For the next episode of episode 2 ay mamaya naman yung ating tinulang second na may many pieces of malunggay. In English, spinach. Katawa lang katawa pwede ni. Meron ayan.